Whoa, not the whole bowl. Not the whole bowl, just one bite.
First time eating real food. Yum.
Mmm, that looks tasty. Looks like you love it. Open up. I think more of it's coming out than going in, but you're doing pretty good. Mmm. Ready? Oh, that was a big open mouth. Yeah. Mmm. This is our first taste of food. We're doing pretty good. Uh-oh. Spoon tastes good, huh? Oh, look at you go. Well, we're getting about half of it out onto the bib, but that was pretty good. Good job.
Yay.
Good job, and look at you sitting up. Such a pro. Mmm.